Welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to manage forks and airdrops using Ace Wallet. Managing forks and airdrop using Ace Wallet involves a few steps to ensure you can take advantage of these events effectively. Here's how you can do it. First, understand the fork. A fork occurs when a blockchain splits into two separate chains. This can lead to a creation of new cryptocurrency. Understanding the implication of a fork, such as potential for new coins and how they may affect your existing holdings. Stay informed about upcoming forks by following cryptocurrency news platform or social media channels. Check the specific cryptocurrency community channels like forums or Telegram groups for announcements regarding forks. Also, make sure you have a latest version of Ace Wallet installed. Update may include necessary features for managing forks. Open an App Store or Play Store and in the search bar type in Ace Wallet and click on Search. After that, select the application, and if the update is available, you can click on Update button. Then it will be installed in the latest version. Also, ensure your cryptocurrency is stored in your Ace Wallet before the fork occurs. This is usually required to claim any new coins generated from the fork. After the fork, the new cryptocurrency may require specific steps to claim. Typically, if the fork coins are supported by Ace Wallet, they will be automatically credited to your account. Check the wallet for any notifications or new coins. You also need to ensure that you are using secure connection and verify the legitimacy of fork and airdrops to avoid scams. Some airdrops may require you to provide personal information. Be cautious about sharing sensitive data. Also, be aware that claiming or trading new tokens may incur transaction fees. By following these steps, you can effectively manage fork and airdrops using Ace Wallet, ensuring you maximize your benefits from these events. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.